मुक्तेश्वर वैसे तो नैनीताल और उत्तराखंड के बाकी जगह जैसा ये पॉपुलर नहीं है, लेकिन नेचर एंड माउंटेन लवर्स के लिए ये जगह किसी जन्नत से कम नहीं है। Around 50 kilometers away from Nainital, Mukteshwar is an ideal destination to enjoy some peaceful time away from the hustle and bustle, surrounded by the serene mountains. Right now we are in Nainital, having a great time on a rickshaw ride heading towards the Nainital bus stand. Our taxi to Mukteshwar is waiting for us there. The rickshaw ride from Mall Road to Nainital bus stand only costs 10 rupees per person. It looks like heavy rain is on the horizon today, but that won't deter us from continuing our exploration of Mukteshwar. Let's embrace the rain and make the most of our adventure. It's going to be a whole new experience for us and our viewers. कहने के लिए सिर्फ 3-4 ही मेन अट्रैक्शंस हैं, लेकिन द रोड जर्नी टुवर्ड्स मुक्तेश्वर इज अनडाउटेडली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. We have to cross Bhowali, Gorakhal and other places which also have few spots to explore. नैनीताल से 10 मिनट के दूरी पर भोवाली रामगढ़ रोड पे ये व्यू पॉइंट है. There are few paid setups for photography as well. The locals charge around 20 to 30 rupees to take a photograph even with your phone. यहाँ से जो कुमाऊं रीजन के माउंटेन्स का नज़ारा है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. यहाँ पे कुछ देर रुक के आप लोग फोटो वगैरह ले सकते हैं. मैगीज मोमोज के कुछ स्टॉल्स भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. It takes more than 2 hours to reach Mahadev temple from Nainital because there are many scenic points along the road where you have to stop to enjoy the beauty of the nature. मुक्तेश्वर में ज़्यादातर फ्रूट्स की फार्मिंग होता है. रोड साइड से आप लोगों को स्टेप फार्मिंग बहुत ही अच्छे से देखने को मिलेंगे. Unlike most popular hill stations, Mukteshwar is an unspoiled natural beauty, offering a mesmerizing view of the mountain peaks. In general, लोग कुमाऊं रीजन के बाकी और प्लेसेस जैसे कि अल्मोड़ा, मुंशियारी, रानीखेत के साथ ही मुक्तेश्वर घूमने जाते हैं. लेकिन अब चाहे तो नैनीताल ट्रिप में भी एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करके मुक्तेश्वर घूम सकते हैं. द एरिया इज वेल कनेक्टेड बाय मोटरेबल रोड्स and can be reached by hiring taxis and buses from Nainital. As we make our way towards Mahadev temple, the rain is pouring heavily and visibility is decreasing. Mukteshwar is enveloped in a unique atmosphere. Along the path, you will encounter numerous rhododendron trees and blooming flowers. Mukteshwar gets its name from this 350-year-old Mahadev temple known as Mukteshwar Dham. The road on the left leads to Chauli ki jali, which has historical importance. We'll visit it after the Mahadev temple. Because of the rain, the temperature has dropped significantly and it's almost freezing here. It is believed that Lord Shiva killed a demon at this place, granting salvation or mukti to him. The place is hence believed to be blessed by Lord Shiva. Any devotee who comes with utter dedication and faith is blessed with whatever he desires. Inside the temple you will find idols of Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma, Parvati, along with a white marble Shiva Linga. The temple is one of the most important Shiva temples in the world. On clear days you can see the stunning Himalayan mountains, including Nanda Devi, the India's second highest peak. Every year many devotees and tourists visit to seek blessings and enjoy the excellent panorama this place offers. At the temple entrance there is a small shop where you can purchase puja offerings. Chauli ki jali is a stunning spot in Mukteshwar, famous for a unique stone with a hole in it that has sparked many myths. It is believed to bestow fertility blessings on women who cross it during Shivaratri, and many local women swear by its effectiveness. During Shivaratri, women from nearby villages gather here after worshipping Mukteshwar Mahadev the previous night. They came to show their gratitude for blessings or to seek miracles in their lives. This event is significant and typically peaceful, as the women's faith guides them safely. Unfortunately, due to heavy clouds and rain, we can't see anything from here. But on clear days, the scenery here is absolutely breathtaking, with majestic mountain peaks all around. If you are someone who really loves tea, then this place is a true paradise for you. Located near the Golu devta temple, the Shyamkhet tea garden is where they grow a wide variety of tea leaves, including organic tea that they even export. To enhance your experience, there is also a cozy cafeteria within the garden, where you can savor various teas alongside tasty momos and snacks. Right now we are at Golu devta मंदिर. मंदिर हम लोग के पीछे ही है. यहाँ से जो भीमताल का नज़ारा है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. That lake is Bhimtal surrounded by mountains. It's located about 15 km from Nainital's Mall Road. The road is smooth until Bhowali, but the last 3-4 km can be a bit rushed. The entry is free and you will need to climb around 100 moderately challenging stairs to reach the temple. The deity of this temple is Golu devta, who is believed to be a dispenser of justice. People come here seeking justice for long-standing court cases or to remove life's hurdles. They hang bells, sometimes with written pleas, on the temple's posts, and as a gesture of gratitude they return with larger bells. You can purchase these bells starting at just ₹30 from nearby shops. Visiting this temple has left an indelible mark on us. Words can hardly capture the incredible experience it offers. don't miss this place if you are in Mukteshwar. This temple is a powerhouse of positive vibes, making you feel alive and full of positivity. After 3 days of rain, the sun has finally made its appearance, painting Nainital in all its beauty. We will certainly return to explore Nainital and its surroundings on sunny days. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please show your support by liking, commenting and sharing. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more exciting travel content.